Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Canva app on your mobile. In this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android. If you are using an Android, go to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. But if you're using an iPhone like I am here, go to the App Store and it's this blue button in the middle of my home screen. Press that and then go down to the bottom right, the search button, and then up at the top start typing in Canva and then press search, the blue button on the bottom right. And that's going to load a bunch of different listings for you. Scroll past the first advertisement and then you've got the Canva listing right here. Canva, design, photo and video. And on the right hand side of the listing, there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow in blue. That means that we've downloaded Canva app on our App Store account in the past, but not necessarily this specific device. Anyway, if you don't have the cloud icon, you will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon and it's going to start downloading the files onto the device. So now that the app has fully downloaded on this device, the App Store gives us the option to press the Open button and that's going to launch and run the application for us. And now we can see Canva has downloaded successfully. So guys, we're brought to this page right here, and what you can do is either sign up and create your Canva account, or you can press continue another way, and then either continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and log into your Canva account and start creating your designs. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.